Is this the smartest phone holder? Let's test it.
Usually the ones that you might have seen online either looks like this, or this, or if you're really creative, like this. But this one is different. It's not just a product, it's a smart product. It has a motor, a set of rechargeable batteries, and it has a camera that tracks your face. This product is specifically made for people who like to make videos, but have to hold the camera in their hand because they want their face in focus as they move around. Wait till the end as I go outside and test the product and see if it actually works in an extreme environment. But before that, let's see what all components come in the package. The device comes with a base stabilizer, a USB-C wire for charging, and the main body. The setup is surprisingly very minimal. Connect the base to the body and you're done. And don't forget to recharge the battery. This is a portable device. If you're taking it out, you need to charge it if you're planning to use it for long duration. Okay, so this is how it works. You attach your phone to the expandable holder and rotate it as per your video style. Once ready, place it on a flat surface and turn the device on. Almost instantly you notice that it starts tracking your face. With its 360-degree rotation, it follows you around as you make those videos. Here are the pros of the product. Compared to other regular tripods, this is definitely much lighter. It is detachable, so it can fit in all backpacks. The battery lasts for about 3 to 5 hours depending on your usage. All phone sizes fit. The face tracking is really fast and it starts tracking as soon as you turn it on. Unlike other similar products, you don't have to download any application. It's cheap and it's available on Amazon for $38.99. The link is in the description below. And it can rotate 360 degrees. Sounds like a perfect product, doesn't it? But sadly, there's more. Although the finish is neat, we need to remember this is an inexpensive product, which means if it falls on a hard surface, there's a good chance it might break. There is no protection on the camera lens, which means it's not waterproof. If your phone is heavy, there's a chance that the expandable holder might tilt a bit. But don't worry, you can always correct it with the software. I feel the camera inside is not the best quality. It works well within 1 to 2 meters if the light is right, but if the light is average and you're too close or too far from the camera, it will not respond. But a workaround is if you can lift it up to your face level, it will work. I tried testing it at night in a decently lit area and it did not recognize my face. So my verdict about this product is that the positives weigh more than the negatives. A product like this, in my opinion, is made for TikTokers, Instagrammers, and people who like to make videos while working. This product definitely works well for its price compared to its competitors. There are similar products available on Amazon, but I found this to be the best value for money. So this brings us to the end of the review. If you found this video informative, please leave a like, share your opinions in the comment section below. Consider subscribing if you like these kind of cool products. I'm Anubhav, this is Rebrid, see you next week.